Hi, this is Gary Kayye. We're here at the NEC booth here at DSE 2017, first day of the show here in Las Vegas, 2017. Biggest DSE show so far here with Rich Ventura. Rich Ventura is the Vice President of Business Development for NEC. Rich, I wanted you to take me through a demo of the retail solutions because I saw something today that was pretty cool, and that is you're using RFID technology over here.
Yeah, we are. So what we've got here on this side is a RFID being able to trigger content by pulling shoes, and then what we can also then do is touch, pull different things I want to buy out, a hat, shoes, whatever else, and then I can actually make a point of purchase with my cell phone.
I want you to demonstrate this, so head on over there. So basically you have fixed product, hard product, goods that you would sell in a store sitting on the shelf, and I'm going to hand this to you, and I want to find more information about that. What do I do?
So as I go in, so I grab this, it'll actually trigger content here. So what we'll see now is we've got the tennis shoe located here. What I can also do is if I want to buy a hat, I want to buy earphones, and maybe I want to buy this jacket, I can drag and drop. So now we're using RFID, we're using touch technology. Now I'm ready to make a purchase. I can touch here, and with NFC, I can grab my phone, make a purchase here. I now have made a purchase, tells me how much I paid, it's an email to me, I can go off and run. So now you start thinking about in a retail environment, pop-up stores, or even just being able to give people self-service capability, we're able to do that.
It's sort of like a virtual vending machine you can put anywhere in a way. So it's using RFID technology to identify the product, and it's using NFC technology to make the purchase. The NFC is secure because it's only the data on your phone. And this is cool. So down there, I want you to show the analytics side of it, because one of the cool things you can also do in retail is tell the person, the store, who's walking up to the display and what they're likely to buy through analytics, right?
Okay, so what we have here is we have two pieces of our analytics. So this is called NEC Engage. So the first one, what we're doing is it's actually capturing somebody, and we're triggering content very specifically that we have set to be programmed based on age and gender. So now what's happening is all that information then is going back into the cloud into a centralized database. So I as a retailer can know that from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock, I had 200 people that came through my store, and 40% were male, 30% female, or 60% female, and I know their age groups, and I can do all my target marketing towards them. So this, and then when it's not doing it, it's running ads. Now what's important is this piece of it. So while we've been standing here, it's actually been capturing you and I. So it's capturing all of us right now, and this is all the data we're capturing. So we know how many views, we know the average dwell time by male and female, we know which ads, the hourly impressions. What we're also doing is with this one, we're actually capturing just people coming in front of the screen. So we just know right now, we've got this many people have been in front of it during the day, this is what their average dwell. So if you start thinking about if you're not putting digital in a spot and you want to have an end cap with jeans, but you want to know your mix of age and gender, you're able to do that type of stuff.
And all this suite of analytics software is an NEC product, right?
Yes, this is what's called NEC Engage. So this is an NEC product. This solution, what we're showing was a partnership with Microsoft. So we're using the Kayye platform from Microsoft, hence why we're using the Kinect cameras. And we're also using Microsoft Azure Cloud.
Yeah, the first time I saw this was at Infocom last year, and it was, I guess you were just starting to roll it out then, but so this is really interesting. This sort of changes everything because this is beyond signage. This is actually leading to the actual sale, directly responsible from the signage.
Yeah, so what we're delivering, you hear the term programmatic buying, right?
Yeah.
I hate that term, but that's a digital at home. This is what's called programmatic content delivery. So what we're doing now is I'm seeing who's in front of it, and I'm going to deliver content that's specifically targeted towards you. Then the important thing is, what do you do after you've done that? So if I'm capturing data and I know that I've got 40 to 45-year-old males, I've had 200 of them coming through my store, and I ran this ad for a watch, well, now I need to correlate, did that watch actually sell more? So now you have your ROI.
And that changes everything in the world of advertising, because then you have a proven ROI directly related to the actual sale of the product rather than sort of an aggregate of what we think happened. So that does change everything.
Exactly. So when we talk about ROI, and we got to talk about ROO, right? What's our objectives? What's our return on objectives? And now when you have your objectives, you have to have measurement. Hint, hint. Then you have once you know your objectives, you know your measurement and how you're going to measure, then you need to know what your results are going to be. Hint, hint.
Yeah.
Big data analytics, right? Machine learning, all that stuff plays into it. That's where analytics come in so importantly. You can use analytics as to say, well, I'm just going to run an ad, but you really need it to tell you who's actually seen that ad and what has it impacted your bottom line.
Right. What was the result?
Exactly.
So you can learn more all about this at necdisplay.com. necdisplay.com. Rich Ventura, thanks for joining me today. We're going to go around, as I said, and shoot videos on each of the individual experience sections of this of this booth here at DSE 2017 here in Las Vegas. Thanks for joining us.